today we're gonna bring an outdoor lighting. So check this out. When you first get them like this, you gotta unwrap these, and of course you gotta turn them on. Once you turn them on and you unwrap them, you pretty much get them to look like this. All right, so we're gonna set these outside right now and see how beautiful they look for the night. Today's 4th of July. We're gonna set it up out there to give us a little better look. They come with the actual 2 controllers, 2 additional hooks and lineups to actually roll them up and hook up anywhere pretty much with these 2 things right around. So we're gonna set them up today, unwrap them, and see how we're gonna work. Day to night mode, waterproof, water resistant, weather resistant. So we're gonna put them out there. Of course, solar panels in the back and charge built-in batteries. So let's go ahead and take a look and put them up at night. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.